Blackmagic Camera is one of the best applications for smartphone videography, but on most Android phones, it is not available on Google Play Store. If you search for it, it either says not compatible or the application does not even show up. I have two Android phones here, one is running on Android 14 and the other one is running on Android 15. And officially, this application is not supported on any of them. But I found a simple way to install it. And yes, it is working properly on both these devices. Let me quickly show you how to install it on any Android phone in two simple steps. Step number 1 is to download the application. So please open the browser on your phone and search for Blackmagic Camera APKMirror. But before you open the actual website, please note that APKMirror is completely safe and only the official application packages are uploaded here. So please go ahead and open the link that says download Blackmagic Camera APKs for Android. At the time of recording this video, the latest version of Blackmagic Camera is 3.2.1. So please tap on this version, scroll down and tap on the link that mentions the application version. This will take you to another page where you can download the file. When the download is complete, you will notice that you cannot install the file directly because this is a bundle APK. So in step number 2, we are going to install the Blackmagic Camera bundle APK and you need to open Google Play Store for that. Here, you have to search and download an application called APKMirror Installer. This application is going to help you install any bundle APK on your phone and it is completely free. When the application is installed, please open it, tap on Browse Files and select the bundle APK from your phone storage. It will be present in the download folder. If you are having a hard time finding the file, please use the filter option at the top right to see the latest downloaded files. When the file is selected, tap on Install Package. Here, you might need to watch a short advertisement. Then you will get an option to allow installation from unknown sources. Please enable it, otherwise the application is not going to be installed. When you go back, you should see an option to install the application. Please tap on it and the Blackmagic Camera application is going to be installed automatically. Now, there are a few important things that you need to keep in mind. Number 1, if your phone is running on any latest Android version, then installing an APK file is not going to be very simple. Because of the restrictions from Google, you may need to temporarily disable Play Protect. Number 2, I tested this application on Android 14 and Android 15. So if your phone is running on Android 13 or below, this application may not install or may not work properly. Number 3, right now APKMirror mostly provides bundle APKs for Blackmagic Camera application, but in the future they may upload a normal APK file. If that happens, you can completely skip step number 2 and directly install the application like any other normal APK. And that's it. When the installation is complete, you can simply open the Blackmagic Camera application and it should work properly. Some features may not work perfectly on all phones, but nothing major should happen. If you face any issues during this process, please let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.